In this video, I will show you how to overlay a video in CapCut and make it transparent. So in order to do that, what we can do is first, let's add in here a video. Let's add this particular video, and as you can see, it cannot be seen right now. So in order to overlay it, you can just click onto that video and you can head over and click on the overlay option. We can see in here this add overlay option, and then just pretend or use that, or you can also just layer it out. Just click on this right here and then drag it above. Now you can now see the video. Now click onto the video right here and then just click onto these three dots. And then in here, what we can do is we can head over and then just do it onto our liking. You can click onto the space tick option, then scroll down. And then once you have scrolled down from in here, you should be able to see the opacity option. So you can reduce it to 0%, or you can also just decrease it, and you should be able to see instantly the actual process. And as you can see, it's making transparent right now. You can just reduce it to your liking.